Hi, Steve Ninnis from Maintenance Experts, here to do a short video today about standard jobs in MEX. Okay, a standard job is pretty simple, pretty straightforward. It's a job that you create as a PM, but it has no frequency. So let me just say that again. It's a PM that has no frequency. It's available to be called upon whenever you require it to create a work order from it. And this could be for something, I mean, we all have used standard jobs in our lives. You know, it could be replacing the belts on some unit, it could be replacing the valves on an accumulator, whatever it may be, but it's there to make life easy by having a parts list and what people are needed, what tasks have to be done, what safety there is. Very simple, very straightforward. So let's just, without me talking any further, let's just add a standard job, and also too, we'll go to the work order listing and call upon it. So, pretty simple. I'm here in the preventative maintenance listing, and we just press new PM, and I'll say it's replace, well, I've got caps lock on, that's a bit over the top. Replace valve on unit. Okay, I'm being very generic, very open here, and I'll say the asset type this applies to is accumulators. Now, I don't have to do this, but I'm going to. You can actually just, narrow it down, so therefore it's easier to find later on. And I can put in all the information about this particular job that's going to be done. But the most important thing is I just want to say, look, it's a standard job, and I click that particular box. Frequency fields are blacked out, or greyed out, sorry, not black. And therefore, this is just something you call upon when you need it. Now, I could go here and I could set up the documents, the parts needed, the tasks, all that sort of information. Not needed to, it's just a quick overview. Important thing is what assets are using this particular PM, and there's a whole long list of them. So, this particular item I think now relates to about 5,000 bits of gear that I've got set up in MEX. So what we'll do is we'll just pop across to the work order listing, create a work order from this particular item for this particular asset, and use it as a standard job. So we'll just close that up. Actually, we can just go down here rather than go into the work order listing and go, okay, the standard jobs have showed up, and it was AC 101A. I could have filtered, could have done something here to find it, and I'm just going to raise a work order from that PM, and it's done. Do you wish to view the details? Yeah, actually no, I'll go back the normal way. So we've raised the work order for that particular asset to replace the valve on the unit. I'll close this. I'll return to the main menu, go to work orders. Just waiting for it to load up. I think it's got quite a few. And it'll be the last work order in the list. So let's just sort that. There it is there. Okay, the asset is that, and that's its description, and we can go through the work order details from it, but it's replaced the valve, well, yeah, replaced that actually valve on the unit. That's simple. Thanks, that's just a quick overview of standard jobs in MEX.